Hey guys, I want to give you a quick update on the AGT Industrial mini skid steer that I picked up at auction. Tracks are getting me through anything that I need to. Let's start it up. I'll show you how high we can get the bucket, and we'll take a look about it.
So pack the car and dry your eyes. I know they got plenty of young blood left in them, and plenty nights under pink sky.
The bucket can go all the way down too. If you want to see more about this skid steer, head over to our channel and check it out.
So clean the house, clear the drawers, mop the floor, stand tall. Like no
And if there's
one's
anything
ever
that you want to see me do with this mini skid steer, please leave a comment down below.
And don't you mention all the inches